Hello everyone, and in today's video, we will be going over how to install Neo4j and Neo4j on your computer. All links shown in today's video will be available in the description below. To start off, we'll be beginning downloading Neo4j desktop by going to this link, neo4j.com/download. Neo4j desktop is a personal but limited version of Neo4j Enterprise, suitable for people who want to give Neo4j a try but doesn't want to spend the money. Simply click on the download button in the middle of the screen. Then you'll be taken to another site where they'll be asking for your name, your business email, and your company name. These are for future upgrades should you choose to pursue their enterprise version subscription. After providing and clicking download in the middle at the bottom of the screen, you're going to be then taken to the last step of the download process where you'll be giving a desktop activation key. Do not close this tab right now since we'll be going back to it later. After finishing the download, you'll see with the Neo4j desktop setup file. Simply double click on it, and then the Neo4j desktop installation will launch. You can choose whether to install for all user or simply for your account only on the computer. Click Next, then you'll be taken to the default installation path. You can change this to somewhere else if you want to, but in this case, we'll stay with the default path. Simply click Install. Then you can choose to run Neo4j desktop directly afterwards. Simply click Finish. And Neo4j should be preparing to launch right about now. The first time Neo4j launches, it will run a whole system check and looking up for any key or user that you already have on your account.